Are we live? I think we're live, guys. Hello, hello, welcome, guys. Welcome to the first live in September. Okay, back to school for the new academic year. Welcome, guys. Yeah, it's AMT here. Okay, it's currently 9:15 in the evening. Yeah, on Tuesday, the 3rd of September, 2024. Okay, and I hope everyone's doing well, guys. Just checking it. Can you hear me? Is everything clear, guys? Can you hear me? Let me know. Hello, user. Welcome, user. Thank you. Thank you for the likes, user already. Thank you for the likes. Welcome, guys. Hope you're all well, okay? So I thought today, obviously, it's back to school soon. We'll just do, a bit of work. Yeah, just like recapping, some algebra. Okay, if we go back to school. Okay. But yeah, I'll give it just about 5 minutes here for obviously others to join. Let's just bring this down to the bottom so we can see a bit more off screen. Okay, but how is everyone, guys? Talk to me. How are you all doing? Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. Okay, welcome, user. Hope you're well, user. That's user 123456. Okay, thank you. Thank you for the likes. Hello, Convectory M. Welcome. Hello. Hope you're well. Hello. I bet you are a sweet company, I'm guessing, if it's confectionery. Yeah, guys, how are we all doing? Are we all right? Also, can you hear me, guys? Yeah, is everything clear? Can you hear me? Hello, Lee. Welcome, Lee. Hello. Welcome, my friend. Guys, we're going to be looking at, just some white rose maths. Oh, wow. That's amazing. 1.5 million. That is incredible. Wow. Maybe you can sponsor me for my channel. Yeah. I'll take 10 grand today. I'm joking. But that is insane. Hello, user. Welcome, my friend. Welcome. Hope you're well. That is awesome. Wow. If I can convince you, I'll try and give you like a follow because I need some help actually and like how to raise money in my business. Hello, Steve. Welcome. Wow, global confectionery company. Wow. Awesome. Can I ask that what the name of the company is? Just out of interest. Hello, can't be asked. Welcome. What a name that is. Can't be asked. Hello, Tony. Welcome, my friend. Hope you're well, actually, guys. If you're in here, tap screen. Yeah, tap screen, guys. Okay, and share the live out if you can. Okay, we'll make a start. In just a minute or so. Hello, Paradise Flow. Welcome. Thank you for joining tonight. Hello, Daisy. Welcome. Hello, hope you're well. How is everyone doing, guys? Yeah, talk to me, guys. Talk to me in the chat. Can you hear me clearly? Wow, almost 1K likes, guys, in 5 minutes. We're smashing it already. The likes. Can we try and get to... Hello, Ellie. Welcome, Ellie. Hello. Hope you're well. Right, guys, we'll make a start here in just, I think, 1 more minute. Okay. But yeah, tonight's session, okay, obviously, it's obviously going back to school here for a lot of you guys. Okay, it's going to be some of like the basics, some algebra. Hello, welcome. Hello. Hello, welcome, welcome. Hope you're well. Okay, so we're going over here just some key algebra parts. Okay, hello, Lily, welcome. Hello, Zena, welcome, welcome, Zena. Hello, hello. Hope you're well. Right, guys, we shall make a start now. Okay, so question number one. Hello, Emma, welcome, Emma. Okay, so it says 25m minus 2n minus 4m plus 5n is equivalent to Pm plus Qn. Find the values of P and Q. Okay, so we are going to collect the like terms on the left-hand side here, okay, of my identity, okay? So 25m minus 4m, that'll be 21m, and then minus 2n plus 5n makes positive 3n, or plus 3n, okay? So now if I compare, okay, both sides here of my equivalency statement or identity, and state that P is 21 and Q is 3. And that, guys, is my answer for question number one. Okay, if you got that here, well done. If you didn't get it, hopefully it makes sense now. Okay, yeah, thank you, Sleazy, thank you, Sleazy, for liking. Thank you, Zena, for liking. Okay, that's question one done. Okay, question number two here is quite a nice one. I think it's quite a nice question. Okay, so simplify this algebraic fraction. 4 over r, or 4/8, plus 5 over r, or 5/8. So simplify, okay? So same denominator, I'm just going to add the numerator. So 4 plus 5 is 9. So we have 9 over r. Okay, so my final answer is just 9 over r. Okay. Hello, Jaffa, welcome, welcome. Hello, Jimmy, welcome, my friend. Okay, so 9 over r. Question number three. Simplify x cubed yz all over xy squared. Okay, so deal with each letter separately using the laws of indices. Okay, I've got x cubed divided by x, that ought to be x squared. Okay, think of just x here as x to the power of 1. 3 take 1 is 2. Y to the power of 1 over y squared, that would be y to the power of minus 1. Okay, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. And then I'm going to have that z on the end. Okay, or I can rewrite this as x squared z all over y. Okay, because y to the minus 1 means 1 over y. Okay, either answer would suffice. Okay, again, at GCSE level, they are not too picky about, which one answer you pick. Okay, that is my answer for question number three. Okay, hello, Ibrahim. Welcome, welcome, Ibrahim. Hello, Mohammed. Welcome, Mohammed. Hello, hello, okay. Hello, hey, Lorena. Welcome. Okay, so 5 seconds here to obviously screenshot that. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, moving on now. Okay, right. So question number 4. It says k is an odd integer. Okay, hello, Hope. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Circle the expression or expressions which are always odd. So if k is odd, okay, so an odd number plus 2. Well, let's say k is 1. 1 plus 2, I get 3. Okay? Let's just do one more. Yeah, to make clear here. Okay? Let's say k is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So odd plus even does in fact always give us odd. Okay? And again, if you're not sure, I can actually prove, obviously algebraically, but obviously I'll do that, but Okay. And again, if you're not sure, yeah, I can actually preview the end. Okay. But yeah, hello, A, welcome. Yeah. Thank you, yeah, thank you, Tony. Yeah, thank you, Tony, for liking. Hello, smiling, welcome. Okay. What about K minus 1? Well, let's say I've got 3 minus 1. Well, that'll be 2, so that's not odd. That's actually going to be even. Okay, so it can't be that one. What about this next one? Well, 2 times an odd number. If K is odd, so let's say I've got 2 times 3, that'll be 6. So 2K will always be even, okay, regardless of what value of K I use, so it can't be that one either. Okay, what about this last one? K squared. Okay, well, if I have 1 squared means 1 times 1, which is 1. Okay, 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9. Okay, so yes, they are all odd. So K squared, yeah, is also going to be odd. And that is my answer for question number 4. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Yeah, does it make sense? Let me know, yeah, in the chat. Okay, let me know in the chat. Okay, does that make sense? Are there any questions? Okay, so with these questions, yeah, just pick random odd numbers, okay, to prove your statement, okay, and then that will just help you eliminate here or find the correct answers, okay? Does that make sense, guys? Let me know. Hello, Will. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, Will. Hello. Okay, question number 5. Okay, I'll give you just a minute or 2 minutes here to try this question, and then we can talk about it. It says Amir thinks of a number. Okay, 4 more than 2/3 of his number is equal to 18. Form and solve an equation to find Amir's number. Okay, so I'll give you about a minute or so here, okay, to form your equation, and then we'll talk about it. Okay, yeah. Thank you, user for liking it. Thank you, Tony, for liking. Thank you, user, for liking. Thank you, Tony, for liking. Oh, almost 2K likes as we're smashing it tonight. 1.7. Hello, Joseph. Welcome, Joseph. Hello. Thank you, Tony, for liking. Guys, if you're new around here, make sure you give us a follow, please. Okay, and check out the content on my page. Okay, I'm trying to hit 10K followers on my page. So any new follower is greatly actually appreciated, okay? And any gifts here are really actually appreciated, okay? Question number 5, okay? So Amir thinks of a number, okay? So let's call that number N, okay, or X, okay? We'll call it N. So 4 more than 2/3 of his number is equal to 18. We're going to have 4 more. So we're going to have 4 plus 2/3 N, or X, you may call it, is equal to 18. Okay, so I've actually formed it, from the second statement. Okay, so 4 more means, obviously 4 plus, N or N plus 4. Okay, so the next step is I'm going to subtract 4 on both sides. So we get 2/3 N, okay, is equal to 14. Okay, 18 take 4 is going to be 14. But I don't want 2/3 N. I just want 1 N. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2/3. That's the same as multiplying by 3/2. Okay, remember, dividing by a fraction, you are multiplying by the reciprocal. Okay, using the KFC method, keep, flip, change. Okay, so N is equal to 14 multiplied by 3/2. Okay, so dividing by a fraction, you multiply by the reciprocal. Okay, so in the chat, please, can someone tell me what is the answer to this without a calculator? Okay, well done, false. Well done, false. Oh, careful, force here, careful. It's 14 times 3 halves, I think you meant. Yeah. Okay. Hello, user. Welcome, my friend. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so Tony's got an answer. Ford's got an answer. Okay, let's double check. So we're going to do 14. Okay, so yeah, think of it as 14 over 1. So 14 times 3, that'll be 42. Again, if you're not sure, let's just work out to the side. Okay, so 14 times 3. So 3 times 4 is 12. So 2, carry that 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus that 1 makes 4. So we have 42 on the numerator on the top. Okay, divided by 2. So 42 divided by 2, guys, okay, is 21. Okay, half of 4 is 2, and half of 2 is 1. So the answer, guys, is 21. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Does it make sense? Again, I'll give you just a minute here to obviously screenshot that. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, moving on now, guys. I've got some simplifying, some algebraic fractions, so addition and then some division. Okay, okay. So we are asked to simplify. Okay, let's make it a bit bigger. Simplify h plus 2 over 4 plus h minus 1 over 8. Now remember, the key when adding or subtracting fractions is you want to have a common denominator. Okay, I've got 4 and 8. Well, 4 goes into 8 twice, so I can multiply this left fraction, top and bottom, by 2. If I do that, I get 2h plus 4 all over 8. Okay, so I times top and bottom of my fraction by 2. So yeah, think about it like a bracket. So 2, okay, so I times top and bottom of my fraction by 2. So yeah, think about it like a bracket. So 2, okay, so I times top and bottom of my fraction by 2. So yeah, think about it like a bracket. So 2 lots of all this over 2 lots of 4. Okay, 2 times h is 2h, and then 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, sorry, 2 times 2, sorry, is 4, not 8, sorry. Over 2 times 4, which is 8, sorry, that's what I meant. Okay, plus h minus 1 over 8. Okay, I can now simplify the numerator, okay, because I've now got common denominators, so I can just add the numerators. Okay, so collecting like terms, 2h plus h will be 3h, and then 4 plus minus 1 is 4 minus 1, which would be 3. So you have 3h plus 3 over 8, or 3 brackets h plus 1 over 8, or 3h plus 3 8. Either answer would suffice, and that's how we add algebraic fractions. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Does it make sense? Let me know. Yeah, does it make sense? Are there any questions? Again, I appreciate. Yeah, it might be quite actually easier, but remember, yeah, it's obviously going back to school. It's like revisiting, yeah, like these like key topics. Key. So algebra yeah, is quite a big topic here, especially on the GCSE 9 to 1 maths course. Okay, if you're aiming for those top grade, yeah, okay, whether it's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, okay, algebra is very, very, very important. Okay, Right, this next one, express BC over 10 divided by AC over 6 as a single fraction in its simplest form. Okay, so dividing algebraic fractions. Okay, hello, Poppy, welcome. Okay, so remember the famous and cheesy acronym KFC? So we keep the first fraction here or number here the same. We flip the second fraction. Okay, so it becomes 6 over AC. Okay, so it becomes 6 over AC. And then we change the division to a multiply. Okay, multiplying fractions, multiplied top by top, bottom by bottom. BC times 6 is 6 BC. And then 10 times AC will be 10 AC. Okay, I can simplify this because there are some common factors on the top and bottom. Okay, so yeah, simplify the numbers first and then the letters. Okay, so 6 and 10, they're both actually even, so I can half top and bottom. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay, I can also cancel the C's on the top and bottom. So I'm going to have 3B over 5A. And that, guys, is my final answer, okay? So does that make sense, guys? Yeah, does that make sense? Okay, so always remember the famous and cliche and cheesy acronym KFC. So keep, flip, change. You keep the first fraction and or number the same. You flip the second fraction and then you change the division to a times, okay, or a multiplication. And then multiply fractions, multiply top by top, bottom by bottom, and simplify where possible. Okay, so I'm going to write it as 3b over 5a. And then for the previous one, so we're coming down here, 3h plus 3 over 8 or eighths. Okay, again, they would have also allowed here, okay, you to have written your answer as 3 lots of, okay, h plus 1 over 8. Okay, that also works over 8. Okay, that also works. Okay, but yeah, that's question 6 here. Question 7 done. Okay, so we need to, guys, yeah, take a little, obviously, screenshot. Okay, so 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, moving on now to the next part. Okay, so final part, yeah, of this worksheet for tonight. Okay, solving, yeah, an algebraic equation and then multiplying algebraic fractions. Okay, again, I would say, yeah, this is that now higher tier, yeah, territory, I think, only. Yeah, so this is, yeah, higher tier only. Okay, again, yeah, there is no harm, yeah, in actually learning. Okay, I've got x plus 1 over 2 plus 3 over x is equal to 3. Okay, now again, when I'm adding fractions, whether it's numbers or algebra, I need a common denominator. Okay, so I'm going to cross multiply here. So I'm going to times this by x and this by 2 and times the two numbers. Okay, so I'm going to have x brackets x plus 1 plus 2 times 3, that'll be 6 all over the product of the denominators. So 2 times x, which will be 2x. And that, guys, is equal to 3. Okay, so I've done a bit of like cross multiplication here. Okay, to find, yeah, the algebraic, obviously, fraction, yeah, like common denominator. Okay, I'm not going to simplify the top. So x times x and then x times 1. I'm going to have x squared plus x plus 6 on the top. That's all over 2x. Okay, and that's equal to 3. Okay. Now, I don't like this division of 2x, so I'm going to multiply both sides of my equation by 2x, because I don't like having, an equation involving fractions. Okay, it makes it a bit more complicated and looks a bit more horrible. Okay, so we multiply, by the denominator on both sides. Okay, so by doing this, we're going to get x squared plus x plus 6 is equal to 3 lots of 2x. So 3 times 2x, that'll be equal to 6x. Okay, I've now got a quadratic that I can solve, but before that, every quadratic has to be equal to 0 for me to actually solve it. So I'm going to subtract 6x on both sides, okay, because I want the quadratic to equal to 0. Okay, so I'm going to have x squared. Now, plus x minus 6x, that simplifies to minus 5x. And then I've got that plus 6 there, okay? And, and then I've got that plus 6 there, okay? It's equal to 0, okay? So always remember, when you solve a quadratic, it must always be equal to 0, okay? Okay, right. Next part now. I'm not gonna try to obviously factorize this here or complete the square here or use the quadratic formula. Okay, I'm gonna go for the factorization method. Okay, because it's a bit more easier, I think. Okay. Now, first step, to make x squared, I'm gonna do x times x. Now here's the key, guys. Okay, I want two numbers that add to make minus 5 and the same two numbers that multiply to make positive 6. Okay, so those two numbers will be minus 2 and minus 3, because minus 2 plus minus 3 or minus 3 plus minus 2 makes minus 5, and then minus 2 times minus 3 is positive 6. Okay, so we want the factors here of a number. So factors of 6 are 1 and 6 and 2 and 3. So to make minus 5, has to be minus 2 and minus 3. Okay, and then the last part now is that either x minus 2 equals 0 or x minus 3 equals 0. So my solutions are x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 3. And that's my solution to this equation for question number 8. Okay, so a quadratic at GCSE level in general will always have two distinct solutions. Okay, unless told otherwise. Okay, but so the solutions to this equation, or equation, are x equals 2 or x equals 3. Okay, or both. Okay, they are my two solutions. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Yeah, does that make sense in the chat? Hello, Payesh, welcome. Are there any questions? Okay, so I would say that's definitely at least at a minimum grade 6, grade 7. Okay, for higher tier. Okay, they are very, very common. Okay, I would say on the Pearson International Exam Board, as well as AQH and also OCR. Okay, and also IGC maths as well for the Pearson Excel. Okay, but if you want to share so it's equations involving fractions, or I call them like fractional equations. Okay, so head over here to Corbett Maths if you want some more practice on that. Okay, or we can do some more at the end. Okay. Are there any questions, guys? Yeah, or can I move on to the last question for today? Not for today, but it's not for like today's worksheet. Are there any questions? Hello, Dan. Welcome, Dan. Hello, Fool on the Hill. Welcome, my friend. Hello, Ray Try. I'll take it as a yes then. Okay. Right. So, question number 9. Express this horrible looking fraction as a fraction in its simplest form. Okay, so multiply fractions. Okay, now before I do it, okay, I'm gonna try and factorize this left-hand fraction first and do some cross cancelling. So factorize, yeah, the denominator obviously first. So 2x plus 2. So pull out a factor of 2. So 2 brackets. Now 2 times what is 2x? Well, 2 times x is 2x. And then 2 times what is 2? Well, 2 times 1 is 2. So on the bottom, I'm going to have 2 brackets x plus 1. Okay. This next one, okay, I'm going to factorize here this quadratic. Okay, so similar here to the one above. Okay, it's going to be like a double bracket. Okay, so x and x go in both. Okay, here I want, or this time I want 2 numbers that add to make 6, but times to make 8. That'll be 2 and 4, or 4 and 2, because 4 plus 2 is 6, and then 4 times 2 is 8, or 2, or 2 plus 4 is 6, and 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, and I'm going to multiply that by x plus 1 over x minus plus 2. Now, if I look here, okay, I can start doing some cross cancelling. Okay, so if I look here, the top left fraction and the bottom right fraction have a common factor of x plus 2, so I can cancel that and that. But the top right fraction and the bottom left fraction, I can cancel an x plus 1. Okay, so so the ones that cross over here, they obviously go to 1. So on the top, I'm left with 1 times x plus 4 times 1, which is going to be x plus 4, all over 2 times 1 times 1. So we get x plus 4 over 2, or x plus 4 halves. And that, guys, is my final answer, okay? So that's how we multiply an algebraic fraction. Okay, of course, I could have actually multiplied it first, okay, and obviously factorized it, okay, but I thought that she factorized it first, okay, it makes it look a bit easier and nicer, okay, but yeah, that is the solution, okay, yeah, to my algebraic fraction multiplication, okay, question, okay, so does that make sense, guys? Yeah, sorry if I was talking actually a bit faster. Hello, Charlie. Welcome, Charlie. Hello. Yeah, does that make sense, guys? Yeah, let me know in the chat, please. Hello, Dylan. Welcome, Dylan. Hello, Gia. Welcome, my friend. Are there any questions? Hello, Miles. Welcome, my friend. Hello, user. Welcome, guys. If you're new around here, make sure you press that follow button, okay? And please help me get to 10k followers, okay? By the end of September, okay? So please, if you can actually, okay, please share this account with your friends, okay? Going back to school, okay? I post obviously regular, so please, all I ask, guys, is to give me a follow, please, and subscribe to me on YouTube, actually, if you can. Link is in my bio, my YouTube channel, and go and follow me on my other social media platforms if you can, on Facebook, and on Instagram, okay? But are there any questions, guys? Are there any questions? Okay. So could be potentially quite a lot, obviously, in like a short space. Okay. Shall we do like one more worksheet, guys, or should we call it a night? Okay, I don't mind. Should we do like one more worksheet, or should we call it a night? Hello, Sienna. Welcome, Sienna. Hello. And also, are there any topics that you want me to cover as well? Let me know as well. Hello, Smiley. Welcome, welcome. There's no question, guys. Yeah, I think I might call it a night. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for obviously being here. Okay. And I shall see you all very soon. Okay. Good night. Okay. And good luck here to go back to school tomorrow, Thursday or Friday. Okay. I wish you the best. Okay. Success. Yeah. And start to the academic year. Okay. But yeah, please keep liking. Please keep sharing. Please keep following. Okay. Subscribe to me on YouTube. Okay. And share my videos around. Okay. And I'll be going live very soon. Okay. Bye for now. Take care. All the best. Okay. Good night from me.